Good morning, children. For moral science, as for computer, as we have finished our course, so your syllabus for term 1 for computer is chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have finished all the chapters, writing everything in the copy. You have to submit me your copy. All have to submit copies. Those who have not submitted, please take care of it and submit me copy on my WhatsApp number. Children, we have done chapter number 1, that is networking concepts. In this, let us discuss today let's know more column which is given in the chapter, and it is regarding internet, extranet and intranet. We know very well that what is internet. When we say what is internet, as it is given here in the definition, available publicly worldwide, means something which is available to each and everyone worldwide. That is internet. Okay. When we say what is extranet, extranet is something company network connecting internal and external subscribers available from multiple locations. And extranet, intranet, company network that connects internal subscriber only available in one location. So here important thing is, for intranet it is only available in one location, and in extranet it is available from multiple locations. This is basic difference. Now further, if I try to explain you what is extranet is extranet is an intranet. It's a sort of intranet that can be partially accessed by authorized outside users, enabling businesses to exchange information over the internet in a secure way. Okay, this is extranet. But when we say what is intranet, intranets embrace employees within a company extranets outwards to offer similar functions to those working closely with the business but separate from it. Okay, so internet, what is internet? Internet is which is available publicly worldwide. That is internet. What is extranet? It's a company network, means it is for an organization, but it is available from multiple locations. And then what is intranet? This also is company network that connects internal subscribers, only available in one location. Got, children? Basic difference between internet, extranet and intranet. Then it is that what is conferencing? When two or more users communicate simultaneously through internet. When two or more users communicate simultaneously through internet, it is called conferencing. And when this process is supplemented by live video, means when this process is done with the help of or with using live video, that is called video conferencing. Okay, one more term is given here on this page, that is Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth is a wireless technology. We very well know when we use Bluetooth there is no need of wires. So Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short range. Very important thing here is short range. Bluetooth works only for a short range. It is wireless connection. Okay. So children, these were the let's know from chapter number 1. Okay, you complete your copy. Rest on the another page also. Wireless technologies are given. What is the meaning of wireless? What is wireless networking? Wireless means which do not use wire for transferring data, and wireless is a means of communication that it uses low powered radio waves. It uses low powered radio waves to transmit data. Okay, another word given here is Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It represents wireless local area network. Okay, it represents wireless local area network, that is Wi-Fi. And another word is given at last is WAP, that is wireless access point. And this is a device, it's a sort of device. WAP is a sort of device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network. It's a device which is used for, it's a device that connects wireless communication devices from a wireless network, means wireless network, wireless devices. For that WAP is used, that is wireless access point. Okay, thank you children.